The most important factors for a strategic marketing plan is diving in and understanding your organization. It blows my mind how many companies I will sit down and talk to, and they don't have a firm mission statement or they don't understand their why. Even if they have a mission statement, not everyone in their team, their consultants, their freelancers know that mission statement. And that's so important because you need a mission statement because that is what gives you those guardrails and keeps everyone in line working on the same path versus this person here, this person here, this person here, working all in separate directions. We dive in, get to know the company, their mission, their why, and then we set out firm, smart goals. You got to have goals. You got to have goals because you got to know what you're heading towards. Sometimes we're not going to reach those goals, but we're going to be able to take any failures we have, any wins we have, and create a more strategic process that we build off of each time so that your company continues to grow into the future.